So you're hearing from big name YouTubers, so-called real estate gurus who are telling you now is absolutely a terrible time to buy. They're saying just rent, wait it out, stack your cash. I get it. It sounds smart. But what if I told you those very same gurus own a ton of income properties? They benefit massively financially off of you staying a renter. I'm Gerard George. I am a realtor here in Massachusetts. I'm a homeowner myself, and I wanted to look at 4 really good reasons why, even in this market, buying a home might be the smartest thing you can absolutely do. Let's start with reason number 1, and possibly the biggest one: appreciation. Look, every single year, at least here in Massachusetts, home prices increase year over year. Even in slower markets, long-term trends show consistent growth. When you rent, your money's gone. You're paying someone else's mortgage. If you are paying a mortgage, you are building equity, even while you sleep. The median single family home price here is still way higher than it was even 5-10 years ago. That's not luck, that's actually leverage. Reason number 2, taxes. When you own a home, the government actually rewards you for owning that home. You can deduct mortgage interest, property taxes, and even in some cases, mortgage insurance. That lowers your taxable income and in many cases puts real cash back in your pocket around tax time. Now, if you're renting, no tax break at all. Your landlord gets the tax break. You just get the receipt. Reason number 3, you control your space, your domain. Ever try to hang a picture or paint a wall, and then the next thing you know, you're getting an angry text from your landlord? You want a dog? Cool. You want to build a home gym, redo the kitchen, finally put that fire pit in your backyard? Go for it. It's your place. You can do whatever you want with it. Home ownership actually gives you control. Renters, they live under someone else's rules. Reason number 4, you actually have a stable payment you can count on. If you enter into a 30-year mortgage, essentially you're paying the same payment every single month for 30 years if you continue with that particular loan. When you're renting, you might see price increases every single year. And these days, that's happening more and more often. What you're actually getting with a mortgage is predictability, stability, and actual peace of mind. And yes, rates are higher than they were during the pandemic, but locking something down now, even with something like a rate buy down scenario or a refinance situation, you're still in a better position. You're still in the driver's seat, and you're not playing rent roulette every year. Finally, let's talk about the elephant in the room, these so-called YouTube gurus telling you that it is financially wrong to buy something right now, that you should be renting. That will never make sense to me. They are quite literally benefiting from you staying a renter. They own properties. They are landlords. Do they make good points about budgeting and affordability? Absolutely. But let's be real. They benefit when you don't buy something. Now, someone might say, Gerard, but don't you benefit too? You're a realtor. Don't you make money if someone buys or sells a home? Yes, but the difference being, I actually walk the talk. I'm a homeowner myself. I believe in what I help people do in my job every day. And I'll always tell you the truth, even if it means me telling you that it's not the right time, that maybe you should wait for the right opportunity. And I've done that before. I've advised clients to wait until they are absolutely ready. But I want to make sure that you have all the information that when it is time for you to make that move, for you to finally purchase, be it your first home, your second home, your 10th home, that you have all the information available to you. The actual full picture and not just fear-based headlines. So if you are renting right now and you're wondering if it's time to buy, don't let fear or YouTube scare tactics decide for you. Let's talk about your real options, not hypotheticals, not clickbait. Just real conversations based on your goals. And that's what I do. I cater to each individual person that I work with one-on-one to their own situation. So if you want more information, go to georgegroupboston.com. And if you like videos like this, I would truly appreciate a like, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing one of these every week, just informational videos for buyers and sellers in the Massachusetts market. But until then, I'll see you in the next video.